What do you think about beavers? Do you like
What do I think
beavers?
about beavers? Uh,
So
in theory,
I
yes.
I'm fascinated by beavers, not just because I'm
Hmm.
Canadian, but beavers, what they call a keystone species. What they do, a beaver comes along and they'll dam a creek and they'll create
Yes.
a little pond, and then that pond will bring waterfowl in, it'll bring fish in, it'll bring reptiles in, it'll bring aquatic plants. That beaver, by creating that dam, creates a new ecosystem and
Yes.
an ecosystem that a lot more things go on in it. And we at Bank and Vogue refer to ourselves as BVers, Bank and Vogue BVers, beavers. And as beavers, we are creating an ecosystem of new opportunities and new life. We're creating a closed loop system to be able to create this quite amazing circle of apparel where it can be reused, 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 repaired, remanufactured, and then back into fiber and then back into it. Basically, we are that keystone species. We do believe that the beaver is a majestic animal.